Hey everyone, today I'm going to be testing out the Really eyebrow extensions. It does contain 3D microfibers, so it is supposed to like fill in your sparse areas of your brows. I did purchase this through a Beauty Net Korea. Go ahead and leave that link down below if you are interested. But let's go ahead and start opening the package on this. So this is what that looks like. And it does say that it does fill in sparse eyebrows, thin eyebrows, and unruly eyebrows. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is what that looks like. So on top here is the brush that it comes with. It's pretty nice size, I would say. And then the top here, you unscrew it. Actually, it comes with a little stick here to make sure that it's closed, I guess, or wasn't opened. Let me go ahead and open that real quick. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the top now. Ooh. That's what that looks like in there, and it definitely does look like hairs in there. And then it comes like in this, well, they look like it looks like a big clump right now. But it does come with like a little like gel looking thing, and it does say that it does have Swerdia herb extract for moisturizing, and it is water resistant, but it does wash off easily with warm water. The smell doesn't smell bad. Actually has like a lotiony kind of smell to it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys into my eyebrows. You can see my eyebrows are like super thin, and I want to just fill them in, just see how this works. So let's go ahead and zoom you guys in real quick. So this is what it looks like on the brush. So you can see those microfibers. I would say it's a little bit hard to pick up the product because you mostly get like the little gel first instead of like the microfibers. So you kind of do have to like dig it in a little bit to go ahead and try to get them. I'm trying to fill in like this little gap here that I have. I'm just trying to grab as many microfibers as I can. So there is one eyebrow filled. It's pretty impressive actually. I'm gonna let the gel dry down because it does say that you can actually like comb them out and all that. Okay, so this is how both my brows are looking now. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them dry down a little bit, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna just finish them up and, you know, make them a little bit more prettier, just, you know, to show you guys how it definitely is gonna look on the finished look. I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so that is the finished look with the eyebrows. I did fill them in a little bit with the It Cosmetics Brow Power. This guy here, just to give them a little bit more color. As you can see, they definitely did fill in those gaps, so it definitely does look like my natural eyebrow. The only thing is that it kind of does dry flat down, so once it's there, you can't really like, with the spoolie, you can't definitely put them, comb in the direction that you do want. So I did put concealer on as well, so if it is pretty bright, that's the only reason why, because I wanted you guys to focus on those eyebrows. So here is the product on my hand. These are the microfibers. As you can tell, definitely hard to move. Even with the spoolie here, you can't comb them anyway. They're definitely just stuck there. So once they're there, you guys. I'm definitely impressed with this product, you guys. It definitely does what it says it's going to do. It definitely fills in all those sparse areas and all that. As you can tell in the beginning of the video, this one was like just one straight line, like that, but it definitely filled it in really good. The only thing is that it only comes in one shade, which is black. So if you don't have black hair eyebrows, this is definitely not going to match you. And also, it's a little bit of a learning curve. When I was putting it on my hand, I definitely did find that like blotting them on was a little bit more helpful for them to stay in place like that. But I definitely do have to learn to put them a little bit straighter because they're just definitely all over the place. So definitely a learning curve with this, but other than that, I really like this. I can't wait to actually play with this a little bit more and just see how my eyebrows definitely look afterwards when I place this. If you do want to purchase this product or you want more information, I'll go ahead and leave that link down below. It is not an affiliate link or anything like that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And also, before I do go, I want to mention February's giveaway. I'll go ahead and leave that link out in the outro so you guys can go ahead and enter to that. Other than that, I will see you guys next time. Hope you did enjoy the video. Bye!
나 원래부터 이랬으니까 나도 널 몰라